I made the game Othello. So basically, it's just the classic Othello. And here is the counter for blacks. And then here is the counter for white. And so once someone wins, so this happens. And so basically, black won. So my code. So first, there's a positions class, which basically holds all the positions, which is each square. So basically these. And then the black class is the class for the black player. And so this basically draws the old counters and the new counters if the conditions are met. And this function checks if the counter can be on the square, and then this checks if there's no moves. And then the white class basically does the same thing as the black class, but it's white. And the setup function basically sets up the board and the counters. And then the finding object is basically finding the class for the position in the positions list. The display text function basically displays if the player wins, ties, or there's no moves. And then this basically creates all the positions on the board and then appends it to the positions list. This adds the positions around a position. So basically this would append this square, and this square to the places. And then these two loops draws all the old counters. And then this checks if a square has been pressed, and then checks if they can add the counter on it, and also checks if there's a win or a tie or no moves. And then this basically just adds the counters to it.